cleaning your floors doesn't need to be a tedious, back-breaking task. With this Mastertop Spin Mop Bucket System with Wringer Set, you'll experience the power of easy floor care with a design that combines convenience, durability, and efficiency. Whether you're dealing with sticky kitchen messes, dust accumulation in the living room, or dirt tracked in from the outside, this mop system is designed to handle it all. Let's dive into why the Mastertop Spin Mop is a must-have in every home. What makes the Mastertop Spin Mop Bucket System stand out? From microfiber mop pads to a two-bucket system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, the Mastertop Spin Mop was designed with convenience and efficiency in mind. This mop system is engineered to make your cleaning routine quicker, easier, and more hygienic. With features such as a 360-degree rotating mop head, stackable design, and durable materials, it offers maximum utility with minimal effort. Whether you're cleaning tile, marble, hardwood, or laminate, this mop system promises flawless results on all surfaces. It's time to take your floor cleaning to the next level. Key features. The Demountable Bucket System allows for versatility. You can separate the two buckets based on your needs. The dual bucket design keeps your clean water separate from the dirty, ensuring that you always mop with fresh water for better cleaning results. The Wringer Set makes it easy to clean your mop and wring out excess water without getting your hands dirty. The locking buckle secures the mop into place during washing, and when you're ready to use the mop, simply unlock and rotate to clean the floor. The 360-degree rotating mop head ensures that you can effortlessly clean every corner of your home without having to strain or twist. This feature is especially helpful when you're cleaning around furniture, under tables, or along baseboards. With the ability to maneuver freely, you'll cover more ground in less time. The 51.2-inch stainless steel handle provides the perfect length for comfortable cleaning without bending over. It's designed to be long enough to avoid unnecessary strain while also being compact enough for easy storage. The set includes 6 microfiber mop pads, each designed to be machine-washable and reusable. No need to buy disposable pads or worry about running out. Simply wash the pads and you're ready to clean again. These microfiber pads are highly effective at trapping dirt, dust, and grime, ensuring a thorough clean each time. They're also gentle on floors, preventing scratches while maintaining strong cleaning power. The Mastertop Spin Mop Bucket is equipped with 2 wheels, a pull handle, and a carry handle for easy maneuverability. Whether you're cleaning multiple rooms or need to move the bucket from one area to another, the wheels and handles make transportation effortless. The stackable design makes it easy to store the mop and bucket system in your utility closet or storage area without taking up too much space. The buckets can be stacked on top of one another for a compact storage solution, making this mop set a great option for homes with limited storage space. The drainage plug helps you quickly dispose of dirty water, so you won't have to lift or tilt the bucket to dump it. The detergent dispenser allows you to add your preferred cleaning solution directly to the water, making it easy to clean tough messes with the right amount of detergent. Why should you choose the Mastertop Spin Mop Bucket System? The Mastertop Spin Mop is all about making your life easier. Whether it's the 360-degree mop head, the self-wringing feature, or the ability to separate dirty water from clean water, every aspect of this mop system is designed for maximum convenience. You won't have to worry about touching dirty mop heads, and your floors will get the care they deserve with minimal effort on your part. The high-quality materials, including stainless steel and durable PP, ensure that the Mastertop Spin Mop is built to last. With proper care, you can expect this mop system to provide excellent performance for years, making it a wise investment for your home. Whether you have hardwood, tile, marble, or laminate, the Mastertop Spin Mop system is up for the task. The microfiber mop heads are gentle on floors while providing a powerful cleaning action that removes dust, dirt, and grime. The stackable design and compact size make this mop system easy to store, so you won't have to worry about clutter in your utility closet. It's the perfect solution for smaller homes or apartments where storage space is limited. With machine-washable microfiber pads, you won't have to keep buying disposable mop heads. The eco-friendly design of the Mastertop Spin Mop reduces waste and is a cost-effective solution for households looking to save money on cleaning products. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.